Toronto, ladies and gentlemen, to avoid any possible injuries, we ask that please remain in your seats with their seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to complete a final stop. Captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. This is termination of this flight. I would like to remind you, please take with you all of your personal belongings. We ask that please keep the main cabin off for all carry-on luggage until the aircraft has come to complete a final stop. May only use your cellular phones once we're fully parked at the gate. Seatbelt signs have been turned off. Those passengers with connecting flights, please check the screens once inside the terminal building.